How to Retire Early, a step-by-step guide. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of retiring early? You're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to achieve financial independence and retire earlier than the traditional retirement age. However, retiring early requires careful planning and smart investing. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore how to retire early so you can enjoy your golden years sooner rather than later. From understanding retirement planning to exploring the benefits and drawbacks of retiring early, we've got you covered with all the essential information you need to know. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into a world of opportunity where anything is possible if you set your mind to it. How to retire early? How to retire early? The answer is simple: start planning as soon as possible. Retirement planning involves creating a financial plan that will help you achieve your retirement goals. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Start saving early. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. 2. Invest wisely. Invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that offer high returns over the long term. 3. Live below your means. Spend less than you make and avoid debt whenever possible. 4. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts. Make sure you're contributing the maximum amount allowed by law to your 401k or IRA. 5. Consider alternative income streams. Look into passive income sources like rental properties or online businesses. Retiring early requires discipline, patience, and smart investing decisions. It's not an easy goal to achieve, but with enough determination and hard work, it's definitely possible. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is the process of preparing yourself financially for your future retirement. This involves taking into account several factors such as your current income, expenses, and savings to determine how much you need to save in order to retire comfortably. One important factor in retirement planning is understanding the costs associated with retirement. These costs can include healthcare expenses, housing expenses, and other daily living expenses that may increase as you age. Another key aspect of retirement planning is determining your desired lifestyle after retiring. You should consider what activities you want to pursue during your retired years and how much money will be required to maintain that lifestyle. It's also important to start saving for retirement early on in life. The earlier you begin saving, the more time your investments have to grow and accumulate interest. Effective retirement planning requires careful consideration of a variety of factors unique to each individual situation. By taking the time now to plan for your future needs, you can enjoy a comfortable and stress-free retired life later on down the road. The importance of retirement. Retirement is a crucial phase in everyone's life, and it should not be taken for granted. It marks the end of our working career and the beginning of a new chapter filled with endless possibilities. The importance of retirement lies in its ability to provide financial security and peace of mind during one's golden years. Retirement allows individuals to take control of their lives, pursue hobbies they never had time for before, travel to places they always wanted to visit, and spend more quality time with loved ones. Without proper planning or savings, retiring could become more challenging than anticipated. Furthermore, as we age, our healthcare needs increase. Having enough money set aside can make all the difference when facing health problems that may arise later in life. Retirement also provides an opportunity for individuals to give back to society through volunteering or supporting charitable causes close to their hearts. Retirement is vital because it provides individuals with a sense of security and freedom that enables them to live the rest of their lives on their own terms. Therefore, proper planning must be done from early on in one's career so that they have sufficient funds available when ready for retirement. Introduction. Introduction to retirement planning. Retirement planning is an essential process that everyone should undertake. It involves making financial plans and decisions that will enable you to live comfortably in your old age when you are no longer earning an income. The earlier you start retirement planning, the better prepared you will be for the future. The importance of retirement cannot be overstated. After years of hard work, it is only fair that one gets to enjoy their golden years without worrying about finances or struggling to make ends meet. Retirement allows individuals to pursue other interests, travel, spend time with family and friends, or simply relax. To retire early requires careful consideration and strategic planning. Early retirement can bring a sense of freedom from work-related stress and allow more time for leisure activities while still enjoying a comfortable lifestyle. Investing in your retirement fund is crucial for achieving financial freedom during your golden years. By saving regularly into different investment vehicles such as pensions or stocks, you can secure a steady stream of income post-retirement. Early retirement may seem like a far-fetched dream, but with proper planning and informed decision-making regarding investments today, it is achievable for those willing to take on the challenge. Start by setting clear goals on how much money will be needed upon retiring, then plan accordingly so as not just rely solely on Social Security benefits later down the line. Why you should retire early? Retiring early has become an increasingly popular option for individuals who want to enjoy their golden years without the stress of work. But why should you consider retiring early? Firstly, retiring early allows you to take control of your life and live it on your own terms. Instead of being tied down by a 9-to-5 job, you have the freedom to pursue hobbies, travel, or spend time with family and friends. Secondly, retiring early gives you ample time to focus on your health and well-being. With more free time on hand, you can develop healthy habits such as exercising regularly or cooking nutritious meals. Thirdly, by saving up enough funds and investing in assets that generate passive income streams like rental properties or dividend stocks can help secure your financial future in retirement. Lastly but not least important is avoiding burnout from a long career. Retiring earlier means lessening the chances of getting burnt out, which could potentially lead to mental health issues. There are many compelling reasons why retiring early may be worth considering if it aligns with your personal goals and financial situation. How to retire early? Retiring early is a dream that many people have, but few actually achieve. If you want to retire early, there are several steps you need to take in order to make it happen. First and foremost, start by planning your retirement. Determine how much money you will need in order to live comfortably during your retirement years. This includes calculating your living expenses and factoring in inflation. Once you have an idea of how much money you will need, start investing as soon as possible. The earlier you start investing, the more time your investments have to grow and compound interest. Another important factor in retiring early is reducing debt. Pay off any high-interest debts such as credit cards or loans before retiring so that they don't eat into your retirement savings. It's also important to consider alternative sources of income such as rental properties or passive income streams like dividends from stocks or bonds. Be prepared for the unexpected by having an emergency fund set aside for unexpected events such as medical emergencies or job loss. By following these steps and being disciplined with your finances, retiring early can become a realistic goal rather than just a dream. The benefits of retiring early. There are numerous benefits to retiring early, some of which are obvious and others that may surprise you. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to have more free time to pursue your passions and interests. Retiring early also means less stress from work-related issues like deadlines, office politics, and demanding bosses. This reduced stress can lead to an overall improvement in mental health as well as physical health. Early retirement also gives you the opportunity to spend quality time with loved ones, travel, or pursue new hobbies that were not possible during full-time employment. You will be able to explore different parts of the world with fewer restrictions than when working full-time. Another benefit of retiring early is having control over your schedule without being tied down by a job. You will no longer have a rigid routine dictated by work hours or breaks, but instead can structure your day based on what you want and need. If you retire early, it means that you've done something right, financially saved enough money for financial freedom earlier than expected. It's always good knowing you don't have any financial worries in retirement while still enjoying all its perks such as traveling around at leisure or pursuing other activities without worrying about budget constraints. There are many benefits associated with retiring early, from reducing workplace stress levels to finding more time for yourself and loved ones along with exploring various destinations across the globe. These factors make it a worthy goal for anyone who wants more out of their life beyond just work.